thistle has to have.
Killylane Reservoir. You aren't allowed to do anything at all. That's okay then.
Mostly things here. Their floor type is kind of orchid style, isn't it?
Oh, it's almost like stitchwort. Like a teeny, weeny little stitchwort type thing. Yeah. Pretty steep. Trust the grips. I can see some self-heal down there. It's a lotus self-heal. Love the name of that wee flower. Self-heal. Heal yourself. Pheasant. Look at that. Pine resin. Fire magic. Boop. Collecting pine snot. It's a technical term for pine resin. So I've got a wee baggie of pine resin, which I've never used before actually. It smells great. My hands are stinking of it now. That's some workmanship on that bridge there. Took a lot of skill and effort. I like it. Some nice fat wood. Getting all the fire magic today. Nice. Collect some of that. Put it with my pine snot. Thank you, little butterfly. Thank you. Woo! They're going to see me fall in. But my feet are soaked, or feel soaked. This is just my wee speed tarp that I call it. Which is a really lightweight poncho tarp. And really thin bungees. Wee tiny carabiner clips in the end. Weighs about 420 grams. So it's nice to stash in your bag, just even for day hikes. Stick up when the weather becomes inclement. Also, if you need a camp seat, it was Aldi did these. Their brand is Adventure Ridge. These cost £18 brand new. I got this second hand, but if you're looking for a lightweight, affordable camping chair and you're not wanting to buy off AliExpress, you get these. Have a wee look on, just search for Adventure Ridge seat and see if you can pick one of these up. The last one I picked up I got for 10 quid and they're brilliant. 820 grams for 10 to 20 pounds. Total bargain. Yep.
Did you forget?
Look at that spoon.
I didn't find one.
Just cleaning up this bit of wood I found because I forgot my spoon. I'm a spoon. I'm the spoon. Otherwise I won't be able to eat my beans. Be beans with wood sawdust.
Good message.
Seconds. I was going to get my windshield out and I was like, I don't think we're going to need it. This is the first tool I think I've ever fashioned. Bushcraft.
It's not bad for a first tool.
Bushcraft tool. The sun has come out. It's nice sitting under the tarps in the rain, hearing the pitter patter, but it's lovely now, gorgeous. We're just scouting some areas and testing some different ridge lines, different cordage, things like that. Just a wee bushcraft trainee day, exploring day, actually a bit of a therapy day too.
And I'm using that bite in the line right there.
Round reduction. That's why I was doing that. Let's create a nice wee handle from the auger, which I've never actually used. Exciting times. It's great having these wee days in the forest, just not even to stay out, just to practice things and use tools, try things out, experiment. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can make a Swedish fire torch using the auger. We'll see. Come up with a new term, bushercise, bushcraft exercise. Maybe that's where the term bushwhack comes from. Bushwhacked, because I am bushwhacked. Whew. Hard work. This is the non-easy to come by dopamine as opposed to the easy to come by dopamine. Also, while I'm here, I had a little pocket chainsaw, but it was one I got for about $5.99, and it was pretty crap. It jammed up all the time. The amount of teeth on it just, I think, was the issue. So it was a $5.99 experiment. Also came in a wee pouch like this too, but I got this one off Amazon. There was a deal on and I got it for like $16.99, but I think they're normally $19.99 for the longer one. But it's brilliant, and now it just doesn't jam up. It's got so many teeth on it. So yes, it's definitely a workout. Like, I was knackered trying to go through quite a big piece. But in general though, it is a really good piece of kit. But yeah, get the Overmont one off Amazon rather than a cheap $5.99, $7.99 jobby. I think it's worth it. Another good piece of kit.
Is going. I think if that was drier, it would be better.
A fire-breathing dragon. By the way, this is a great low alcohol, 0.5% citrus ale. It is really, really nice. So if you want to cut down on your booze intake, I'd recommend this one here.